start. Perhaps this sentiment is merely the outcome of the past 300 years of European influence in Asia. Personally, I do not believe that any profound difference exists between the Orient and the Occident. Such differences as can be accounted for by history, tradition, and geography exist even among the Asian countries and, in fact, even within the same country. Probably the existing differences mainly arose from the fact that certain parts of the world developed their resources and became prosperous, while others were completely unaffected by the Industrial Revolution. I think that thinking in terms of the Orient and the Occident sets us on the wrong track. As a rule, the same type of problems leads to the same results everywhere. At the same time, there are certain countries like India and China with pronounced national characteristics where history and tradition exert a profound influence on the course of events. I am sure there is a great deal of good in this tradition we should have gone under, but for that we have survived on account of the good in our tradition and we propose to hold on to it. At the same time, I have no doubt at all that it has a great deal that is bad too. It prevents us from doing the things we ought to do, so that between the good and the bad and between the past and the present we do not quite know what we are going to do and what we should do. If you ask me about India, it would take me a long time to tell you about all the aspects of our problems. Our difficulties are not only external but also of the mind and spirit. There are certain tendencies that carry us forward and others that retard our forward movement and compel us to look behind. Progress consists in having the essential things of life, and in that sense, we obviously must have progress. We are going ahead, and I hope rapidly we are harnessing science in the service of the nation. Yet a doubt arises in my mind as to whether material progress really constitutes a remedy for our problem. It is at best only a partial solution. Something more is needed. We need a solution of the broad problems that afflict the world today. Stop.